fixing to put 3 coats of primer on this thing. It's going to be ready. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's another new day here. We're just super excited to be here today. In the last video, we were sanding this thing, getting that smooth, trying to get through some of that old damaged clear coat. And man, it is turning out beautiful, flawless here. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna jump back on this thing. We're gonna finish sanding it up. We're gonna tape it all up. And we gotta get 3 good coats of primer on this thing to make it slick for the paint job. So that's what we're planning on doing. We're gonna jump on it, get as much done as we possibly can today. So let's get to it. Oh my goodness, we did get some more new parts in here. Look at this. I'm excited to show these to y'all. These are the brand new tail lights that we got. And they are wicked awesome. I just love them. I can't wait to see what they look like on the truck. Check these things out. Check these out. Look at all of that. Look at this tail light. I mean, can you, oh man, look at all the black inside. Oh, this thing is awesome. It is awesome. I cannot wait to see what they look like on the truck. I'm super excited. Me and JP, we've just been working like crazy. We sanded this thing all down, and we got the scuff stuff and scuff pads, and we scuffed everything down. So everything's going really good. Right now we're going to just get it all dried off, start getting it taped up, and get some primer on. I know it is real noisy in here, but we got this thing in the booth. We got him all taped up. We fixing to put 3 coats of primer on this thing. It's going to be ready. All right, man. God, that went really good. JP mixed up, I don't know, 5, 6, 7, 8 gallons of primer. And I mean, he just sprayed it all over this truck. I mean, it was just crazy insane, wasn't it?
It was. We got a lot of primer on there today. Looks good.
It really wasn't 5 gallons.
No. About probably about 2 quarts.
2 quarts. 2 quarts, but we want it to be slick. And now it's the only way to do it, right?
That's it. You gotta load it on there, block it down, go back at it.
That's what we want. We want this thing to just be glistening and people's heads to turn when it drives by going down the road. So we're putting in just that little extra step of trying to make it real slick, don't you think?
Yeah, I just thought about something. What would you think about some planes, maybe? Yeah.
Yeah,
that ghost planes.
That might have been that other Tacoma.
Oh, okay, all right.
But you know what? That wouldn't be a bad idea. I don't know.
Maybe on one of the next ones we'll do that.
We try to do that.
Yeah,
you know,
like
we'll try to do that. So let's just walk around this thing and see what that primer looked like. All right, man. Today's been a really good day. I mean, we jumped in here. We got here early because these hot days in August, they're a little bit rough. But, you know, we jumped in here. We got all this stuff done. We got a lot of parts coming in. We got the new grille. We got the new tail lights. We got the new headlights in. Part of the lift is coming in. I got the new rear bumper. We're still in that market for a bed. But you know what? We're going to get one just any day, and then we'll be on that, and everything's going to be great. So like we said, probably in the next video, we'll start trying to get some of these panels blocked down and hopefully put some paint on. If you like what we're doing, subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.